Hi everyone, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to use a compound preposition. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Dans cette leçon, nous allons donc voir ensemble comment utiliser la préposition. Mais je suis sûr que vous avez déjà attendu des mots comme because of, in the back of, instead of, according to. Mbote na bandeko nyonso boza kolanda nga lelo na koansene bino ndenge toutilisaka compound preposition. Alors naza mpona koyede bino. So we're gonna look at here a compound preposition. So if you take a look, we have according to, ahead of, apart from, in references to, in regarding to, in spite of. So these one are the part of compound preposition. Okay, so you're gonna hear because of. Okay, so these are the part of it. Okay, so because of, by means of, by the way of, in the back of, in front of. So we come here instead of. Okay, so it's depending how we use them inside of the sentence, okay, or paragraph. Okay? So when you look at here, according to Simon, Jesus Christ is God. If you take a look, we use it here. According to Simon, Jesus Christ is God. So the project was complete ahead of schedule. It's right here. And the work stopped because of the storm. Right here. The judges and the lawyers pointed out the law that is in, if you take a look, in references to this crime. Right here. Right here, okay? Right here. So I want to show you how we use them inside of the sentence. Right here. Right here. So like when we use in, at, from, above, those one are the preposition. These you see, these one are also the preposition, but we call them compound preposition. So we come here. Abby is very interested in computer technology. Amy shows no interest in such things and is caring for her sick mother. Steve and Steven spends hours looking for the lost dog. Now again, Abby is very interested in computer technology. Amy shows no interest in such things and is caring for her sick mother. Steve and Steven spends hours looking for the lost dog and the lost one. And we come here. These young people comes from Russia. Again, these young people come from Russia. These young people come from Japan. These young people come from China. These young people come from Korea. Again, these young people come from Russia. These young people come from Japan. These young people come from China. These young people come from Korea. Okay? Come here. So if you take a look here, we have a preposition and the phrasal verb. Okay? So these young people come from Vietnam. These young people come from Cuba. These young people come from Angola. These young people come from Congo. One more time. These young people come from Vietnam. Okay? These young people come from Cuba. These young people come from Angola. These young people come from Congo. And come here. Amy came into the room and sat down. Come here, come with me, please. Abby came to after a few minutes. How did you come up with this idea? Okay? Can I read? Amy came into the room and sat down. Come with me, please. Abby came to after a few minutes. How did you come up with this idea? So here I kind of like put this together, become like come up. This one become like ah. And this one is like kinda swallow it. It's like silent. I don't say it. So how did you come up? How did you come up? So this one become like how did you come up? Come up. How did you come up? How did you come up with this idea? Eh? We come here. So the video is not that long. So I just want to provide you guys this, and then on the other video, we're gonna keep going. So I'm gonna try my best as I can to provide you guys the right tools. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.